Hey everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we are taking a look at a original PSP. So this is my PSP 1000 back from, I believe I had this in middle school. So as you guys see here, I kind of have like this bleach decal, and the front's a little bit kind of busted. So the start button's in there, but it's kind of pushed off there and things are looking kind of weird. But it powers on just fine. So it has some battery. I was testing it earlier today and everything works fine. So basically, before it dies, well, when it dies, I got a replacement OLED screen from retrogamecase.com. So this is the screen. And essentially what it is it's an OLED screen with all the attachments for a PSP 1000. It's supposed to give better quality. So a little backstory to my PSP. I broke it. In 6th grade, bought a replacement screen from eBay, put it in here. So it's not even an OEM screen, it might be a lower quality. But we're going to swap it out for an OLED screen, which should be, I believe, around like PSP 2 to 3000 quality. And yeah, that's kind of it. And try to fix this. So let's just jump right on into it. So as per all original PSPs, you got to remove your battery and your memory stick Pro Duo. Oh, I have a 16 gig one. There's a screw down here, I believe. I gotta get out, which holds in the bottom, and it looks like it's stripped. So this is gonna be fun. You know what? My faceplate's so cooked that it's broken and it's not even holding down there. So yeah, I'm just gonna remove. Alright, look at it. Let's see if we can even get them all in focus. But we have, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm just gonna remove those 4 screws. And now the whole thing should just come off if I got all my screws. Yep, and there we go. Yeah. Let's just put it this way. So this is my, I don't remember if this is an original faceplate or not. I know my buttons down here are original, so I just kind of put that one back in place. When I put it, I'm gonna put it face down. And one screw fell, that's fine. Yeah, this is our PSP. I don't know if it's seen better days or if it's seen worse days. If your bumpers come off, they're as easy as just putting back in place, and they just kind of chill in there. Yeah, so they just kind of go in like that. Boom. So I need to take this guy off. Let's see if I remember how to do this. Yep, comes right off, and there's a latch. Open that up, pull that out. So this is our start button, start, select, home, all that. And the screen should just, I believe, come right off. There's a little bit of struggle, but basically what you gotta do is, there are, let's see if I can get it. So on the sides, let me just unhook my screen and I will show you. Wow, this PSP's been through a lot. If we look right here, there used to be a little locking mechanism. It's no longer there, which is, well, but on the sides there are right here four little divots or openings. You just gotta kind of get something in there to unlock the screen, which are these parts, and then you're good to go. So now that I have my old screen out, put this to the side. This is our new screen, and essentially I think it's the same thing. The only difference, I believe, are the connectors. Yeah, so this is our screen. It has a protector on. I hope that's not a break, but I don't think so. Essentially all we have to do is install this connector so it transfers from the proprietary connector to the screen connector. So shouldn't be too hard. One other thing I gotta mention is when you're doing this is as far as zoom's gonna get. There is one point right there. I believe it's the last point, this one right here. You just have to bridge it, or else you won't be able to control your brightness. So let's just do that. And to bridge those connections, all you have to do is give it a little dab of solder, and that should close it up. I'll leave the link to all of this down below because yeah. Alright, so that's done. I'm just gonna wipe it down, then we can connect our screen. Okay, now to connect our screen. Okay, and now that we have everything connected, so cable, adapter, screen, I think we just kind of put it all, so we fold that, boom, 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 done. So just need to get my power cable, because I think my battery is definitely dead, or not. And there we go, it works. And that is an OLED screen. So let me pull this off. Oh, I died. Let's try one more time. I don't know if it comes off on screen or not, but let me just get it in my charger. All right, so I put PSP back together. Yeah, I'm gonna try to find a replacement shell and stuff because it's looking kind of rough. But as you guys saw in the last clip, power's on. I don't know. It looks brighter and a little bit more vibrant up top. You guys probably can't see the carryover in video, but let's just turn down my volume. So clearly I have Naruto. I believe so our brightness works. So if you don't solder that, bridge that point, you won't get the brightness control. So low, medium, high, ultra high, I guess. But overall, pretty simple. Gives your PSP kind of new life. Makes it look a little bit better, or so I've been told, compared to the original screen. And yeah, if you guys like this video or have any questions or comments about the screen or where to find it or how to install it, leave a comment down below. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. See ya.